Welcome all of you in my channel Square Academy, Standard 10th Mathematics Part 1, Chapter number 3, Arithmetic Progression. According to SSC Board Paper Pattern, question to be solved following sub-questions. Welcome all of you in my channel Square Academy. Standard 10th Mathematics Part 1st and Chapter number 3 Arithmetic Progression. Question number 2b, solve following questions. In these questions we have given total 5 examples and we have to solve any 4 of them for 8 marks. Means या प्रश्नामध्ये आपल्याला 5 प्रश्न दिलेले असतात आणि 5 पैकी आपल्याला 4 सोडवायचे आहेत for 8 marks. We will start from the first question. In an AP, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5, find first 4 terms. Means in this arithmetic progression, we have given first term A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 5 and we have find out first 4 terms. We will start question 2b, answers. In this way we have to write in the answer paper. तर answer paper मध्ये अशा पद्धतीने प्रश्न क्रमांक आपल्याला लिहावं लागेल. Then sub question number 1, we have given first term A is equal to 10 and common difference D is equal to 5 and we have to find out first 4 terms. पहिली 5 terms mean पदे. First term is called A, therefore A is equal to T1 is equal to 10, and if we adding common difference in first term we will get second term. म्हणजेच पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये आपण जर कॉमन डिफरन्स ॲड केलं means T2 is equal to A plus D is equal to the value of A is 10 plus the value of D is 5, therefore 15. Second term is 15. In the same way we can find out third term means T3 is equal to, how to find out T3? If we add common difference in previous terms, म्हणजे याच्या अगोदरच्या पदामध्ये कॉमन डिफरन्स D जर ॲड केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळतं नेक्स्ट टर्म. मीन्स काय लिहिता येईल आपल्याला T2 प्लस D. T2 ची व्हॅल्यू आहे 15 and प्लस D ची व्हॅल्यू आहे D is equal to 5. Therefore third term is equal to 20. Now fourth term T4 is equal to T3 plus D. The value of T3, आता T3 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 20. Therefore 20 plus common difference is 5, therefore 25. Therefore first 4 terms are first 4 terms are first is 10 comma second 15 comma third 20 and comma fourth 25. In this way the first 4 terms of AP are 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now question number 2. The first term of an AP is 3 and common difference is 5, then find Tn. Means we have given here sub question number 2, we have given first term of an AP means A is equal to 3 and common difference is given 5 means D is equal to 5. Common difference mean D. And we have to find out Tn, the value of Tn. Therefore write first formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting values of A and D we get, म्हणजे A आणि D ची व्हॅल्यू जर आपण याच्या समीकरणामध्ये ठेवलं तर we will get 3 plus in bracket n minus 1 into the value of D is 5. Therefore 3 plus 5 multiply n, we will get 5n minus 5 ones are 5. Therefore, write 5n first and 3 minus 5 म्हणजे 3 minus 5 3 वजा 5 5n 3 minus 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of Tn is equal to 5n minus 2. In this way, we have to solve second question. Now, question number 3. Find 24th term of the AP 12, 16, 20 and 24. Given AP is sub question number 3. Right here, given AP is 12, 16, 20, 24 dash dash. In this equation, in this arithmetic progression, the first term म्हणजेच पहिलं पद, first term पहिलं पद A म्हणतात. First term is called A, therefore A is equal to 12 and common difference D is equal to common difference 16 minus 12 we get 4. Therefore, the value of D is 4 and we have to find out 24th term means n is equal to 24. First we have to write formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. सुरुवातीला आपल्याला सूत्र लिहावं लागेल आणि आफ्टर सबस्टिट्यूटिंग द व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ n, a and d म्हणजे n, a आणि d च्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला या सूत्रामध्ये ठेवावे लागतील. देअरफॉर वी गेट T24 means value of n is 24. The value of a is 12. Therefore 12 plus in bracket n minus 1. n minus 1 means 24 minus 1 and into the value of d is 4. Now 12 plus 24 minus 1 is equal to 23 and into 4. 12 plus 23 into 4 we will get 92 and 12 plus 92 is equal to 104. Therefore 24th term, therefore 24th term is 104. In this way we have to write the answer. अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला त्याचं उत्तर लिहावं लागेल. 24th term of an AP is 104. Now question number 4. Decide 127, 132, 137, 142 is an AP or not. Means we have given this sequence, we have to determine or decide given sequence is an AP or not. First write sub question number 4, then given AP, given sequence is 127, 132, 137 and 142 and dash dash. Therefore, the first term is called T1. म्हणजे याला T1 म्हणतात. First term means T1 is equal to 127. This is second term, दुसरं पद T2 is equal to 132 and third term T3 is equal to 137 and fourth term T4 is equal to 142. Now we have to decide given sequence is an AP, we have to find out difference between two consecutive terms. तर आपल्याला ही दिलेली सिक्वेन्स AP आहे किंवा नाही हे ठरवण्यासाठी या क्रमागत दोन पदांमधील फरक आपल्याला मीन्स डिफरन्स वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट फर्स्ट. देअरफॉर T2 minus T1, T2 means second term, 132 minus 127 is equal to 5 and again T3 minus T2 means दुसऱ्या पदातून second term थर्ड टर्ममधून सेकंड टर्म मायनस करायचं आहे आपल्याला, सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे. देअरफॉर T3 मायनस T2 इज इक्वल टू 137 मायनस 132 इज इक्वल टू 5. अँड नाऊ फोर्थ टर्म T4 minus T3 is equal to 142 minus 137 is equal to 5. Means दोन क्रमागत पदांमधील फरक means difference is same. Therefore, write here D is equal to 5 and it is a constant. Therefore, given sequence 127, 132, 137 and 142 is an AP. In this way we have to solve this question. Now question number 5. In an AP, first term A is equal to 6 and D is equal to 10. Then find S18. S18 चा अर्थ काय होतो की S18 म्हणजे या सिक्वेन्समधील फर्स्ट 18 टर्म्स म्हणजे पहिले जे 18 पदं आहेत त्या 18 पदांची बेरीज फाइंड आउट करायचं आपल्याला. मीन्स राईट फर्स्ट सब क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 and then A is equal to 6. We have given D is equal to 10 and N is equal to 18. N is equal to 18. Therefore write formula of SN. आता आपल्याला SN चा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायला लागेल. SN is equal to N upon 2 in bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, substituting the values of N, A and D, we get S18 is equal to N ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 18. Therefore, 18 upon 2 in bracket 2 multiply the value of A is 6 plus in bracket N minus 1. N minus 1 means 18 minus 1. The value of N is 18. 18 minus 1 and into the value of D is 10. Now if 18 is divided by 2, जर या 18 ला 2 ने डिवाइड जर केलं तर we will get 9 in bracket 6 2s are 12 plus here again in bracket 18 minus 1 into 17 and 17 multiply 10. Therefore 9 into in bracket write 12 as it is. 17 into 100 is equal to 170. Therefore 9 into 170 plus 12 182. And if 182 multiply by 9 आपल्याला 182 ला 9 ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर 9 2s are 18 कॅरी 1 9 8s are 72 72 plus 1 is equal to 73. Therefore write here 3 and carry 7. 9 1s are 9 and 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Therefore, the sum of first 18 term is equal to 1638. Therefore, S18 is equal to 1638.